Remember that time I was building a garden bed and almost smashed my camera? Yeah, that happened. Welcome to the Hippie Geeks. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon to catch all our new content. We wanted to make one more garden bed for the year, this time using scavenged tin and 2x4's that we already have. I need it to be 10 feet long to match the bed that it will be going next to, as we are going to use more cattle panels to make an arch above the space between them so we can grow some more climbing veggies. None of the lumber I have is longer than 8 feet though, so I'm going to have to figure out how to patch something together. This video isn't going to be a step-by-step how-to, as to make a garden bed out of tin, you just need a framework that will hold it in place. This is a video about how we piece together a garden bed from what we had lying around, as we would like to keep the cost to a minimum. One thing to remember though, when using full-size tin sheets as the sides of your garden bed, is that it is going to be tall, as in 28 inches tall. Most of our beds are usually in the 18-inch range, so this one is going to be about 10 inches taller than the one next to it. That is fine, you don't need to fill the bed with dirt if you don't want to, and we aren't sure yet just how far we will fill this one. You can't really tell in the video, but we had an absolute torrential rain coming down off and on the whole time I was making this bed. We are talking sheets of rain and huge booming thunder crashes coming down. As you can imagine, our poor scared lab ran directly into the bathroom to hide, as she tends to do during storms. That didn't stop me from getting this finished up though. We only have a couple of more weekends before it's time to get all of our starts in the ground. The framework went together pretty well, and you can see the areas where I doubled up the horizontal lengths where I patched the 2-foot and 8-foot boards together to get my 10-foot length. I am fairly confident that it will hold, but only time will tell. If I have a blowout, I will definitely post an update so that everyone can poke fun at me. With only minutes to spare before leaving to listen to Kat play cello in her high school pit orchestra, I managed to get it all put together and then put it roughly into place. This is pretty much going to finish filling up the rest of our backyard, and we will work through the summer to get the rest of the grass torn out and wood chip the pathways. I'm a big fan of watering vegetables instead of grass. Edible yards are the best yards. If this is your first time here on the Hippie Geeks, it would be wonderful to have you subscribe. This channel is all about helping you visualize, learn, and create. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and check out our Patreon page or merch store to support the channel directly. Thanks again, and we will see you on the next one.